I'm going to show you some alignment tools that can make this spreadsheet look nicer. So while I'm on cell A1, it is a merged cell. In the alignment group, on the first row, I'll tell it to align this in the middle, and then I'll tell it to align it in the center. Next, I'll select from cell B2 over to cell E2, and I'll go back into the alignment group, and I'll choose this button, which is called orientation. When I click it, I'll choose the angle counterclockwise. And then the final thing I'll show you is how you can add an indentation within a cell. So I'll select from cell A4 down to A7. This time I'll go to this little button in the lower right corner of the alignment group. It brings up a dialog box, and I'll click in the drop-down portion of horizontal. I'll choose left indent. I'll increase that by 1, choose OK, and I've added an indent to cells A4 through A7.